So people ask me all the time, do I really need to flush my tankless water heater? And the short answer is yes, you absolutely do, and here's why. First, annual flushing on your tankless water heater helps it run more efficiently. It also gets rid of minerals and sediments that can clog up your heat exchanger. Next, while we flush it, we're also going to have our gas fitter go through it all, service it, and make sure it's running at its peak performance. Third, and most important, annual maintenance keeps your unit under warranty. So skip your maintenance and you might be on the hook for a potential repair. Think of annual maintenance on your tankless just like an oil change on your car. If you skip a couple oil changes, you're risking your engine blowing up. If you skip a couple maintenances on this, your heat exchanger could clog and actually cause carbon monoxide to leak out. If you have a tankless water heater and you're not sure when you last serviced it, or it's been a couple years, call us at Norms. We can certainly take care of you, and we have new membership plans which can save you money.